Hello all. In this tutorial we are going to discuss C# variables and functions in Unity 3D. We can think of variables as a box containing information. These boxes can be of different types. For example, there can be a box of type integer which can hold value of only integer type like 2, 4, etc. Or there can be a box of type string containing value of only string type like David. So, let us take this script as an example wherein we define a variable called myInt1 of type integer. So, the declaration will be like int, which is the integer type, followed by variable name. In this case it is myInt1. This, when suffixed by a semicolon, specifies the end of the statement. We can provide a value to the variable. We will declare another integer variable myInt2 which we will initialize with value 5, like so. So, when the Unity game runs, the very first or initial value this variable holds is 5. Similarly we will define a variable myString of type string. We will assign it an initial value of John. A function can be thought of as a logical piece of code which performs a particular task. For example, we can define a function called addNumbers which takes two numbers as input, adds them, and returns the result. Let us, further, look at the script which will make things clearer. This is the start statement which gets executed once when the script runs. Here, we are calling function addNumbers like so. What this means is that the code that belongs to the function addNumbers gets executed. To any function, we can pass certain values. For example, we have passed two integers to add numbers. The function, in its definition, receives these two integers in variables a and b which can be used for processing. The function adds the two numbers and stores the value in another integer result. The return statement returns the calculated value to myInt2. This is because, here, myInt2 has been assigned the value returned by function addNumbers. Please note that the return type of the function addNumbers has been declared as integer, as declared here. If the function were passing a string value we would have declared the return type of the function as string. To test our results, we have printed the value of the variable myInt2 in the log by the statement Debug.Log and the value to be printed inside brackets. Let us now run the game and check the log values in the editor log. You can see here that the value of variable myInt2 before function call is 5. The value after function call is 13. I hope this helped you. Please consider subscribing to my channel and pressing the bell button to show your support. Thanks for watching.